The brushes in here? No. One can hope. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what you receive in a Laura Geller mystery box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so I've been doing a lot of shopping lately. Honestly, I think it's a form of coping with what's going on in the world. I don't know. I've just been buying left and right. Somebody please help. So I've been on a kick, particularly when I discover mystery boxes for brands I'm not really familiar with. It's a great way to dip your toe into a makeup brand without, paying full price for a bunch of products that you may or may not enjoy. I'm not sure when I picked this up. Maybe around Labor Day. I will list on the screen if this is still available. I paid $34.99 and I thought you only got 4 items, but this box is huge. All right, I'm going to stop speculating and dive in and see what you get for, let's round up, $35. I do own one product from Laura Geller, which I received in, I don't know the month. It was a FabFitFun, maybe fall 2020, not sure. It was an eyeshadow palette, which was lovely. Oh, maybe the box is big. Okay, so I have a tendency of not wanting to spend money on shipping and handling. So sometimes I purchase an additional item so that I reach the threshold for free shipping. Maybe that's why it's a big box. I don't know. I can't remember. If that's the case, something will fly across the screen. Okay, well, big box because there was a lot of paper. Okay, first item seems to be a makeup bag. Are there brushes in here? No. One can hope. Interesting. So it's got this pink kind of mesh, but then the inside is black. I don't know what we call it, like vinyl, or not vinyl. Similar to like a windbreaker type material. And I like how it folds very flat, but it gets rather large. You can store a bunch of items in there. That'd be good for traveling if and when that ever happens. All right, next item. Okay, we didn't get a brush set in that bag, but we did get one lone sad looking little brush. It's rather, I don't say stiff, it's dense and not super fluffy, but what I find these brushes are good for with the shorter, stiffer, is it makes really good blending out shadow on the bottom lash line. So I'm not mad at this. I'm not seeing a brush name. It just says Laura Geller, New York. All right, next item. What is this? We have the Spackle, which is Skin Perfecting Waterproof Eye Primer. Oh, I was like, did I order a concealer? Because that looks like concealer color. You know how I do. I'm on the hunt for the perfect concealer, and particularly with brands where I've never tried complexion products. And if I'm trying to hit free shipping and handling, that's usually what I add on. All right, interesting packaging. All right, it looks like it's going to be an eyeliner. Oh, okay, so it has a brush tip. And then, I guess you twist up. Let's twist. You gotta be careful with stuff like this. I've done this before, and then all of a sudden, it seems like nothing, and then like 5 gallons pop out. Oh, there it goes. Interesting. It is. It does have a shade. Huh. I'm going to have to look up online. Like, does it come in this one shade? Did I get lucky-ish that it's not too dark? It is too dark to wear as a concealer, but for kind of color correcting, it's orangish. I'm curious now. Okay, yeah, so this is in the shade Fairlight. Did I order this? I can't remember. I will let you know. This either I got really lucky in a mystery bag for a shade that matches my complexion, or I'm just old bad memory and ordered this. Okay, on to the next item. What is this? Okay, so we have the Color Luster Lip Gloss. You know, I love a good lip gloss. It has a standard doe foot applicator. Does not seem to have a scent. Or if it does, it is the softest scent. No, I don't think there's a scent. Ooh. Okay, so I don't know if it'll pick up. It's clear, but kind of holographic with like subtle pink shift shimmer kind of. Ooh, I like that. Yes. Holographic shift with pink to soft champagne, clear gold. I don't know. I see the pink. I'm excited. Not sticky. I don't care how good a lip product looks. If it's sticky, It is a little thick, but not sticky. There is a difference. I love it. All right, now on to the last item, which is the star, and it's big. We have a palette. This here is nothing but neutrals, and it is 31 baked eyeshadows. Ooh, they're all baked. Interesting packaging. There's no mirror. It has the see-through. This is almost, it's cardboard. It's like getting a Christmas box. I've never seen packaging like that for eyeshadow before. And they are very small, but they're baked, so they're domed. Let's do a few swatches. Yes. Okay, so I did 2 mattes and 3 of the shimmers. Ignore the lip gloss in the middle. Yes. All right, let me know if you would like to see me do a try-on using this palette. I'm excited. Are any of you into Laura Geller products? Have you tried her brand before? Have you seen anyone unbox or use this eyeshadow palette? I'm very curious. Okay, let's recap what came in this $35 mystery bag. So we got an eyeshadow brush, an eye primer, a holographic lip gloss, a makeup bag, and a 31 pan baked eyeshadow palette. What are your thoughts? I'm going to list on the screen the MSRP value. I'm pretty certain this eyeshadow palette is at least $35 or close to that. And now my memory's kicking in. Maybe with this, you got to select the shade. I don't know. I can't remember. Let me know your thoughts. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love it if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. Please leave me a comment. Also, click the thumbs up. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm to get my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.